Hello students, welcome to CR Digital Classes. I am Hashim Ali Khan. Welcome to these classes which give immense knowledge on your subject so that you can face the examination confidently and get excellent marks in your examination. So here now I'm explaining about the topic single entry system, which is in Unit 4 of Financial Accounting 2. In this unit, section A consists of 4 marks question. So normally they may ask a theory question or practical problems. Theory question like features of single entry or advantages, disadvantages. Already we have done in the previous videos. Now problems. The different types of problems will be asked in 4 marks like finding out the profit, finding out the capital at the end or capital in the beginning, or finding out the total purchases, total sales. Varied type of problems may be asked in this 4 marks question. So in this video, in this session, I have taken up one question which was asked in Usmania University previous examination, June-July 2023. OU examination for 4 marks. So what the contents of this problem is, prepare necessary statement to ascertain the profit from the following. There are different methods of finding out the profit in single entry system. The first method is statement of affairs method. By preparing statement of affairs, we can find out the profit. How? Statement of affairs is just like a balance sheet, where we take the assets and liability to find out the capital. Assets minus liability is equal to capital. So we ascertain the capital at the end of the year. After finding out capital at the end of the year, we can prepare a statement of profit or loss to find out how much profit we have earned during the year. So the contents of the problem are capital as on 1st January 2018. So our concerned year is 2018, which begins from 1st January 2018 and ends at 31st December 2018. So always while solving the problem, you must remember the duration or the accounting period. So beginning 1st January 20,000, this is the capital. Now assets on 31st December 2018, end of the year, the fixed assets are 36,000 and the current assets on 31st December 2018 is 14,000. So remember, 2 assets are given, fixed assets and current assets. That is the total asset. Now drawings during the year. During the year, the owner has made some personal drawings and 6,500. Creditors at the end of the year, 5,000. This is the liability. Now we are given 2 assets, fixed assets and current assets, and 1 liability, creditors. So assets minus liability, you will get the capital. Then additional capital introduced during the year on 1st August 2018 is 3,200. This is the content given in the problem. How to start? First, we prepare statement of affair at the end of the year. What is the purpose? Why we prepare? To find out the capital at the end of the year. Capital at the beginning of the year is already given. So this is the calculation of closing capital, statement of affairs. Asset side, first we take fixed assets. The fixed assets are, how much are the fixed assets? Here it is given 36,000. Then we should take current assets. How much are the current assets? There it is given 14,000. So here it is 14,000. Then only 1 liability is given, that is creditors. So creditors will take it on the liability side. How much are the creditors? 5,000. See, at the end of the year, we are given 2 assets, 1 liability. Take the total. The total of the asset side is 36 plus 14, 30, 40, 50,000. 50,000 is the total asset, right? Asset minus liabilities, the capital according to accounting equation. So 50,000 minus 5,000, you will get 45,000. What is this 45,000? Capital, which is not given in the problem. At the end of the year, this is called balancing figure. It is not given. We have calculated 45,000. Finished. This is the statement of affairs. Now we proceed to find out what is the profit earned during the year. So first we begin with capital at the end of the year. So here I am taking capital at the end. At the end means 31st December 2018. Just now we have calculated capital at the end. It is 45,000. Take 45,000. To this we add drawings. Always remember how to find out the profit. Take capital at the end of the year. To that you add drawings. Drawings made during the year. How much are the drawings made during the year? There it is given for the year 6,500. So here add 6,500. So 45,000 plus 6,500. 45,000 plus 6,500. You will get 51,500. 51,500. From this we subtract any further capital introduced during the year. Yes, it is given. Capital introduced. Capital introduced during the year. Additional capital brought on 1st August is 3,200. So we are subtracting 3,200. 51,500 minus 3,200, you will get 48,300. This is 48,300. From this we deduct capital at the beginning of the year. At the beginning of the year. That is 1st January 2018. 1st January 2018, how much is the capital? 20,000. Subtract 20,000. 20,000 I am subtracting. So 48,300 minus 20,000, you will get 28,300. 28,300. This is the profit earned during the year. During the year 2018. That's it. So remember the rule. How to find out the profit? Capital at the end, already we have calculated. Remaining all these values, drawings, capital introduced and capital at the beginning of the year, that is given in the problem. So this is the end of this problem. This type of problems will be asked frequently in examination. It's very important. So remember the rules, how to find out the profit. Hope you understood this lecture. All the best from SIA Publications.